Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Instagram drawing feature not showing, whether it's missing in stories or missing in DM chat. Let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. Open up the App Store, in the search bar search for Instagram, and then tap onto it. If the blue button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. The drawing feature won't work on older versions, so update it. After that, you have to check if the feature is supported in your country or not. Instagram features releases gradually, so to check, try logging into your account on another phone or use a VPN and switch to USA, UK, or Canada. If this feature appears, it's a recent rollout issue. Also, you can go ahead and simply switch to a creator account. This tricks work for many users. Open up your Instagram and then you need to go ahead and simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon. Inside here, tap on edit profile. Scroll below, then tap on switch to professional account and then choose creator. After that, close and reopen Instagram. Now check again. You can also try logging out of your account and logging back in. This refreshes your feature access. And if the feature is still missing, delete Instagram application from your mobile device and then reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. This clears broken feature data. And that's it. One of these steps should help bring back the Instagram drawing feature. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.